Hey, future lawyers, today we're going to talk about one of the most important subjects in law school, obligations and contracts, or Oblicon. It's a big topic, but don't worry, I'll make it easy to understand. First, what is an obligation? It's simply a legal duty to do something or not do something. In the Philippines, the Civil Code tells us what obligations are. An obligation has four parts: the obligor, the person who has the duty; the obligé, the person who can demand the duty be done; the object or prestation, which is what the obligation is all about; and the juridical tie, the legal reason why the two parties are connected. Now let's talk about contracts. A contract is an agreement between two or more people that creates obligations that the law says must be followed. In the Philippines, the Civil Code, specifically Articles 1305 to 1430, tells us about contracts. A valid contract needs three things: consent of both parties, a specific object or subject matter, and a valid reason for the contract. A lot of people ask me, what's the difference between a void contract and a voidable contract? A void contract is like it never existed, it's not legal from the start. For example, a contract to do something illegal is void. A voidable contract is okay until someone cancels it. It's like a contract with a problem that can be fixed. For example, if someone forced you to sign a contract, you can choose to cancel it. Next, let's talk about the different kinds of obligations. There are many kinds, like pure and conditional obligations, obligations with a due date, alternative and facultative obligations, and joint and solidary obligations. Each type has its own rules, but don't worry about memorizing everything now. Just try to understand the main ideas first. Finally, let's talk about what happens when someone breaks a contract or doesn't follow their obligation. The person who is hurt can do a few things. They can ask the court to force the other person to do what they promised, they can cancel the contract, or they can ask for money for the harm they suffered. Okay, that's a quick look at Oblicon. The best way to learn this subject is to understand the rules, and then think about how they work in real life. Keep studying, and you'll get it. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more law school tips. See you next time.